Hi everyone, today we have a problem when we are given a nested list of integers and we need to compute the sum of the all integers weighted by the reverse of their depth. So what's that mean? For example, let's take this example where we have an input 1, 4 and the 6 and we need to find first the depth of each integer, right? Depth of 6 is 1. Depth of the 4 is 2 and depth of the 1 is 3. Why? Because it should be in reverse, right? If we look at it as a tree, then in that case the leaf should have the least weight and the root should have the highest weight. So for example, in this case, leaf is 6, right? 6 has a weight of 1 and the 1 is a leaf, 1 is a root. 6 is a leaf, has a weight of 1 and the 1 is a root and it has a depth of 3, right? It should be in reverse. So what we do is after finding weight for each one, we are multiplying that by the weight. So 1 has the weight of 3, so we are multiplying 1 to 3. 4 has the weight of 2, so we are multiplying by 2. And the 6 has the weight of 3, we are multiplying that by 3. So and we are adding up. So 6 has the weight of 1, so we are multiplying that to 1. So 3 plus 8 plus 6 gives us 17, right? And as a result, we are returning 17. So how we are going to solve this problem? It's obvious that we need to know that the maximum depth of our, we can think about this input array as a tree, so it's a root and it's a leaf. So we need to find the maximum depth of our tree, right, in this case. So what we do is we are using DFS, and the DFS first what we do, we are finding the, so we in our first pass we are finding the maximum depth of our tree, and after that, after we find that, so now we go and for each element we are subtracting, right? So we are taking the maximum depth and in whatever level we are at the moment, so we are subtracting that and we are multiplying to that value. So for example, let's say that we are here, right? We are at the second level, so 3 minus 2 plus 1, so we gives us 2. So 2 we are multiplying to 4 and we are adding that to our result. So the time and space complexity in this case is of n. So again, first pass, so in the first pass what we do, right? In the first pass what we do, we have two methods here. The first one is computing that depth of our tree. So what we do is we are passing here our list and we are passing here the depth, right? The current depth. And also what's important to know, what is the nested integer. So what's the nested integer? It has it's an interface and it has an implementation and it has 3 methods, right? Is integer, get integer, and the get list. Is integer means that does it have any leaves, right? So for this particular node, does it have any leaves? If the is integer is true, so which means that it does not, right? So we are just getting the integer. If it's false, so which means that it has the leaves, right? It has the leaves. So it has the child nodes. So that's exactly what we are checking here. So we are taking the maximum depth, and therefore we are going over our list, and for each one we are checking that if is integer. If it's not an integer, so which means that it's a list, then we are, what we do, we are taking the maximum or whatever maximum depth we have at the moment, and we are recursively calling, passing here the list that for the list that we have for the current node, and the depth plus 1, because we are going one level so we are in our tree, we are going one level lower, right? So at the end we are returning whatever the max depth that we are getting here. So after calculating that, now we know that we did the first pass, we did the DFS first pass. Now we know that the maximum depth. So after that, so what we do, we are calculating the weighted sum. So for that, again, we are passing our list, we are passing our current depth, because we are starting from the beginning, and we are passing our maximum depth. So at each step, what we do, right? So we are calculating the sum, and we are returning the sum. But at each step, what we do, we are checking the list. If is integer, so which means that again at this point we can take the weight, and so we are taking the weight minus depth at whatever depth we are at the moment plus 1, and then we are multiplying that to our integer and adding that to our sum. If not, then we are recursively calling the weighted sum, passing there our list and passing, and since we are going one level lower in our tree, so we are incrementing the depth, and we are passing the maximum depth, and whatever sum we are returning here, we are returning it as a result.